what's up? It's Sierra, the Festive Bohemian, and welcome to episode 1 of Plants and Coffee with Sierra. That's me. I've been learning a lot about plants in 2020. If you're anything like me, you've been finding plants really relaxing during these unprecedented times that we've been living in. With my collection growing, I've also learned that there's a lot more to plants than just a little care card. You really gotta know the plant to really help it thrive. I decided how fun would it be to come on here every Tuesday and share with you something I've learned, something interesting. And I thought there was no episode better to start off with than plants going dormant in the winter, because I didn't know they did that. Now I do, but I want to share with you exactly what that means, because winter is coming. Well, not so much here in Florida, but for some of you it's definitely coming, and you may be feeling it already. But here we don't feel that. Actually, it does feel quite nice though. It's like breezy. But if your weather is getting colder, you're going to be wanting to change your daily plant regimen. And here's 3 ways you're going to need to. Any outdoor plants that aren't cut out for the cold are going to be needed to move indoors. It really is on a plant by plant basis here. You're going to have to know what each specific plant is going to be able to tolerate, because there's even some succulents that can put up with the cold and some that really can't. But better safe than sorry, just move it indoors. Now you may be thinking, but Sierra, I got nowhere to put my plants. Well, you can always get grow lights. Grow lights are a great way to prevent your plants from going dormant and also to keep them happy during the colder months. Most of our houseplants do go dormant during the winter months to kind of hibernate and chill out. This is normal because you got to think about it. The days are shorter, they're getting less light than they were before, so don't take it personally when your plants start slowing down growth or they drop a few leaves. They just need to get some rest. Now, just because our plants aren't growing as fast, that doesn't mean fertilize more, okay? In fact, most plants that actually means don't fertilize at all. And the frequency in which you water your plants will also likely decrease, but the best way to go about knowing when to water your plants is just to test the soil and see how dry or damp it is, and go from there rather than following a watering schedule. Alright, well, I hope to prevent some discourage over these coming months with your plants, and I hope to see you guys here next week for episode 2, where I'll be sharing another plant tip. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on those notifications so you don't miss it, and thanks for watching.